Google just gave NotebookLM a feature that can turn your notes into a full cinematic video, with zero editing skills required. No script writing, no editing, no voiceover recording. The AI does it all. Today, we're breaking down exactly how this video AI agent works. What is this feature? NotebookLM's video overview feature has gotten a massive upgrade. Before, it could only create a simple narrated slideshow, a few static slides with a voiceover on top. Now, the new version, powered by Google's VO video model combined with Gemini, generates a full cinematic-style video complete with smooth animations, rich, dynamic visuals, a polished, documentary-like feel. Basically, you upload your documents, notes, or research, and the AI decides which visuals go with which piece of information, almost like a human editor would. How does Video AI Agent actually work? The process is pretty simple. Upload your sources, PDF, Word doc, Google Slides, or plain text notes. Inside NotebookLM, select the Video Overview option. The AI reads through your content and generates a script on its own. Based on that script, it creates matching scenes, visuals, and narration. In just a few minutes, you get a ready-made video that you can download or share directly. The best part: no editing software, no voice actor, no design skills needed. The whole process is automated. Let me actually show you how this works with a simple example. Pakistan's Digital Economy 2026. You can use literally any topic, an assignment, a business report, a blog post, whatever fits your channel. I open NotebookLM and create a new notebook. I add my source. You can upload a PDF report. I am pasting bullet point notes about Pakistan's digital economy. Once the source is added, the video overview option appears in the right side panel. Let's click on it. NotebookLM now works in the background, analyzing the source, writing a script, and generating visuals. This usually takes 2 to 5 minutes. Once the video is ready, let's play it. Who is this useful for? Students, turn your notes into engaging revision videos. Teachers, quickly convert lecture material into explainer videos. Content creators, go straight from research to finished video content. Businesses, turn reports and presentations into client-friendly video format. And that's NotebookLM's Video AI Agent feature, turning research into video in seconds. If you've tried this yourself, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe to JustAIWorld, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next one. Take care.